Superman Factory. This is a unique place. Here we build strong men and women. It's a place where we make them attractive, help them achieve endurance and become healthy and positive. We made men handsome and masculine, and women feminine, beautiful, slender and in great shape. Are you ready? Are you ready? Those problems like weight loss and achieve a great shape are no longer a problem. We'll teach you how to control your body and enjoy your daily nutrition. I am so high, I can hear heaven. Your body will want what it really needs. Your body will crave what it really needs. You will be able to eat anything you want, but you will not crave junk your body doesn't need. You will hardly overeat because you will just feel uncomfortable about it. You'll no longer need to count your calories and stress about which food you eat and when. Your body will learn how to choose your food wisely in order to keep healthy and productive lifestyle. You'll automatically drop your nasty habits such as alcohol and cigarettes, since we feel it's our duty to warn you about the outcome. We're not doing anything supernatural. We'll teach you how to understand our programs, since it's the natural way that was once encoded and goes all the way back to the beginning of the humankind. We are working with the customers from all over the world. Among our clients, top models, fitness models, Russian actors, Hollywood actors, and many others. Simple people who are now good enough to star in the movies and grace magazine covers. At least 60% of women ages 18 to 30 can be on magazine cover after they have passed their training course. Others, even if they don't make it to the magazine cover, will be different people with unbelievable results and overall happy life, and they will never wish to return into their own selves again. We promise even better results with men. 95% ages 18 to 40 after the completion of the course will be good enough for the Men Health magazine cover and have enough skills to be used in special forces. Take a look at the portfolio of our models and see for yourself. They are not only good looking, they are in perfect physical conditions. These men and women are healthy with the guarantee to birth incredibly healthy children.